Zona Segura was developed to improve job safety and risk analysis in high-risk industries. Zona Segura's newly intuitive digital workflow makes capturing unsafe events and observations on the job site simple and effective. With Zona Segura, your team can quickly capture unforeseeable unsafe events at any location, at any time, and for any assets. The event selection menu allows quick access to safety alerts, tracks equipment certification, manages equipment inspections, and tracks stop work authority events and observation cards. Capture and track unsafe events quickly and effectively by attaching evidence to events with corrective action, intelligent annotation, and detailed analytics. Designed with the HSE workforce in mind, Zona Segura eliminates long and tedious data transfers from paper, allowing your HSE team to focus on what is mission critical. Designed to work on the cloud. Your executive and operational teams see the complete picture in real time. While your HSE actively tracks trends, reports events, and takes the appropriate corrective actions, giving your team the decision-making power to act in real time and assign corrective action and training. With powerful data analytics and custom reporting at your fingertips, you can run meaningful reports for your organization and clients in our Safety Insight. With Zona Segura, your HSE team will keep everyone in the safe zone.